get the small stuff out the way, and then once you get that done, that's only gonna push you to keep going. Hey everybody, it's Lisette Mahogany. Welcome to this week's video. Before we get into making our vision boards, we need to ask ourselves these 3 questions. How many goals do I want to achieve this year? No more than 10. That's my professional opinion. You want it to be something you can actually achieve, because once you start achieving these things, it's going to give you more momentum to keep going. The second question is, what is it that you want to get done this year? Do not just say, oh, I want a Lamborghini, or, oh, I want to lose 100 pounds, da-da-da. Very doable, but let's start with small goals, okay? Let's work ourselves up, because, yeah, a lot of times we want to strive, we want to, go for the big, I don't know if I'm saying that right, we want to go for what we want to go for, but at the same time, we need to humble ourselves in the very beginning, and let's get the small stuff out the way. Let's make sure you could do it, Let's make sure you could get the small stuff out the way, and then once you get that done, that's only going to push you to keep going. A lot of times people think people become successful by some big action that happens, but it's really not that. It's a lot of small actions that accumulate over time and create success. Like getting up every day and exercising, whether it's a 5-minute walk, 20-minute walk, that's gonna benefit you a year from now. You're gonna see a big difference, but you're not gonna see a difference 2 days from when you start. So let's keep that in mind. Let's start out with some small, chewable goals, then do more, right? And the last question is, what are the systems that you will use to make these goals come true? Again, like I said, it's a lot of small steps that over time create, It's not just bam, bam, bam. We want to believe that. We always do it every year. We're always like, oh, first I'm gonna make this much, and then I'm gonna grab that, and then that's not always realistic, because everybody knows life is crazy. A lot of curveballs get thrown. Let's figure out what we're gonna do. This kind of goes back into the small steps. What can we do every day? If not every day, what can we do right now to get us closer to that step? All I'm saying is, before we make our vision boards, we need to have a set plan of what we want to do. Don't just do this because, the colors, I'm kind of talking to myself because I love colors. Don't just do this because, the colors, the pretty pictures and da-da-da. It's a fun thing, but at the same time, you're doing this for a reason. You're not just doing it to play arts and crafts. If you like this one, I could do a physical one. I could do one in real life, like get the magazines, get the paper, get the everything. Glue sticks, scissors, I got some right here. I could really get it done. And as I'm showing you, I'll give you some more tips and some more ideas and some more pointers as we go along. All right, everybody, so I hope you like this video. Do not forget to like, and if you have any questions, if you want to say anything, leave a comment. And I would say follow me on social media, but I don't have social media. So just subscribe to this channel, because you're not going to see me anywhere else. Unfortunately, I know. All right, enjoy the video.
So the very first thing you're going to do is open up Canva and Pinterest. Then you're going to want to make a new board and name it. And this is where you could choose whether you want to make it public, private. I personally recommend private because you don't want people knowing your every move. And now we've gotten to the fun part. This is where you go on Pinterest and save everything you want in your vision board. All the pretty pictures. This is where the arts and crafts part comes in. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to download pictures from Pinterest. So as you see, I went back to Pinterest and I am going to click on a picture, and as you see the three dots up top, click on that and then click on download. Then from there, I'm going to go right back over to Canva, go right where it says uploads on the side. I'm going to click upload files. From there, I'm going to click my files or downloads, and the very top download, that's the picture that you just downloaded to your computer. Now just continue this step over and over to your liking. Add as many pictures as you like, and you pretty much got the hang of it. That's pretty much all you have to do. You can change the background color, you can add text, but that's pretty much the how-to on how to make your own vision board.